I'm doing here today is working on a 2009 Chevy Colorado with 4-cylinder. I'm going to be replacing the idler pulley as well as the belt tensioner. The belt happens to be riding up on the pulleys there and destroying itself, so I'm going to replace those. On the belt tensioner there is a 3/8 drive hole, and we're going to slip our tool in here. You could also use a ratchet. This gives you more leverage. We're going to pull towards the driver's side and then slip the belt off. Here's my diagram I drew on the belt routing. Okay, for the idler pulley it's a 15 millimeter, and we'll take that off counterclockwise. Okay, got it out. We'll just take this bolt out and transfer it to the little plastic retainer in there. So you will have to put it in a vise and then tap the bolt out of there. I have the new idler pulley. I'll just drop that in there. Tap that down. We're ready to install it. Okay, you're going into a little piece of aluminum, and the torque spec on this is 37 foot-pounds. I believe that's 50 Newton meters. There is a 15 millimeter bolt in the pivot point of the tensioner. We'll go ahead and remove that. Okay, got that bolt out. Go and put our new one in. When we put our new one in, this little nub here, we're going to line up in the little cavity where that tensioner goes. Put our bolt in and torque that one to 37 foot-pounds as well. If you're putting a serpentine belt tool on there, you may have to go and push down on this to get some clearance. Otherwise it's going to hit the radiator hose. Now we'll go ahead and put our belt on. We're going to start by putting the belt on the crank pulley. It's on the bottom there on the balancer, and the ribs go towards the upside here, and then we're going to go ahead and reroute it around the fan here. That's also the water pump. Okay, got it all routed down there. I'm up to the power steering pump here. Got my thumb holding it. I'm going to take the tension off the tensioner and then slip it on there. I'm going to have to do this with both hands so it won't be recorded. Okay, you want to take a look, make sure it's on all the pulleys properly in the grooves before you start it up.